Shelly here from the Blueberry Store in True Blue Farms with our favorite cook today, Treat Hartman. How are you today, Treat?
Really good, Shelly.
Good. Well, what do you got cooking up for us with blueberries, not just for pancakes and muffins anymore?
It's a garlic onion tortilla stack. It's an appetizer.
Wow, that sounds really good. Is it going to be something that I'm going to be able to make?
Well, yes, if you have some time. This one, it doesn't take a lot of time to get the ingredients together, but it takes time to let it set.
Okay.
So it's one of those things that you could do the night before, let it set, and bake it off the next day.
It sounds really good. I can't
wait. It is pretty good.
Okay.
It's I'll give you a shot of it. It has 10 layers of tortillas, and it's very inexpensive because you know how cheap tortillas are. And with this one here, the recipe will say to dice the onions, and I do suggest that rather than just cut them in slices, because it makes it form better.
Okay.
And also don't overfill the layers. You're going to think you're not going to have enough stuffing and all that, but just keep going, don't overfill. Just put a little bit of the filling on each layer, and combined it makes a tremendous side dish or appetizer.
Well, and don't forget, folks out there, you can find these recipes at theblueberrystore.com. Just keyword would be the tortilla stack on this one. So go ahead. What are we
okay. And I'm going to serve it with a side of a dipping sauce, and I make it with some of the filling and then some balsamic vinegar.
Wow.
A tablespoon, and together that really creates a cool dipping sauce. It's kind of pungent but yet fruity with the blueberries, and the blueberries that are in there are in the preserves, actually.
Oh, the preserve. Okay, good. Because I was going to ask, do you use fresh or frozen blueberries with this recipe?
A little bit more.
You use the preserves?
I use the preserves, and I just mixed it in with the Parmesan cheese is in here.
Wow, I can't wait to see how this is going to taste, because it sounds unique.
Roasted garlic.
Oh my gosh.
So give yourself some time to prepare this one, because it will take a little bit of time, but once they eat it, you'll be making this a lot. And you can even keep this already made for like 2 days.
Oh.
It's not going to go bad on you. There's no meat involved, it's just onions, blueberry preserves, garlic, and Parmesan cheese.
It smells really good too. I
It is really
cannot
good.
wait to try it.
So here's the dipping sauce.
Okay.
Kind of looks a little weird, but it's very, very good. Go ahead and serve yourself up some. And what I use to grill them off on to get the grill marks is this handy grill pan right here.
Oh,
I just warm it up very hot, and then after I cut those tortillas into wedges, because you're going to have a round of them, cut them into wedges. I just place them on all over the grill pan, and then I turn them as they got browned. So on all sides, you want to grill them and get the marks.
This one's for you.
Thank you.
Now my grill pan doesn't look like that. I have more like a skillet.
A skillet. That's fine. It might just take you a little bit longer to do these.
And you don't have to put a weight or anything on the
No.
top like the paninis or anything. Just keep flipping it over.
And just be cautious. Make sure they get good and done on the one side before you flip them, because
you don't want to keep flipping them because
they'll fall apart.
Oh, okay.
And that's the other reason why you don't want to overstuff them.
Oh, okay. Well, they look really good. So this is a finger food?
Finger food.
Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
Caramelized onion.
It's great. This is going to be probably one of my favorites.
And make sure you get the sauce. The dipping sauce.
Absolutely.
It's good.
Here's to you.